Welcome to the Transparent FX Academy. I'm Nick and I'm a top author on TradingView with over 190k reputation points. In this video, I will be taking a pair, breaking it down both from an order flow and technical perspective. And by the end of the video, by using the combination of these two different types of analysis, we will try to understand where we have the highest probabilities for the next potential move. And in doing this analysis, I will provide as much free education as possible. So I really suggest that you stick to the video to the end. So without further ado, let's go straight to the charts. In today's video, I want to speak about EURJPY because at the moment we do have quite interesting price action and structure. Starting here from the monthly time frame, in fact, we can see how the market just printed this very strong impulse to the upside followed by this correction. Now, in general, after an impulse, if you want to measure the correction, what you have to do is take your Fibonacci from the low to the high of the impulse. And if we do that, we can see how the market has just retraced exactly to the zone, which is in between the 50% and 0.618 golden ratio of the Fibonacci taken on this monthly impulse, which was lining up perfectly with previous resistance turn support, creating a confluence of support at this level that we did expect the market to reject to the upside and that we could expect the market to reject even higher. From a weekly perspective, we can notice how the market had created this M pattern. After the creation of the M pattern, we wanted to see the completion at the neckline, which the market gave us, and then a potential rejection lower, which once again the market tried to do. However, at the moment, the market is rejecting these lows, creating this green candle here, which the market is currently creating, which is trying to challenge once again the resistance that the market has created around this zone. And if the market will successfully manage to close from a weekly closing perspective above this area, this previous resistance would be once again acting as support. And at that point, we could expect the pattern on the monthly that we have previously identified to actually complete, and for the market here to provide the bullish continuation that we're currently looking forward to. Dropping down on the daily time frame, what do we see? Now, from a daily perspective, I spoke about EURJPY a couple of times in the past. I spoke about it when the market was around this area. I explained all the reasons for which we could expect this rejection higher. The market actually gave us that move. Then a couple of days ago, I made a full breakdown of EURJPY when the market was here. I explained all the reasons for which we could expect this potential rejection to the upside. And again, that is exactly what the market provided. And by the way, I will link in description these two previous analyses so you can go and check them out for more free education. However, at the moment, what we can notice is that not only on the weekly, all this area is acting as resistance, but also here on the daily, this zone is acting as resistance. And until the market will remain below this zone, it could easily get rejected to the downside. What we would need in order to create a continuation higher is for the market to successfully manage to break above this previous high, which is currently resistance, because at that point, that previous resistance would be turned support. So if we get a successful break above this resistance on the retest of this previous resistance turned support, that is where we would have a very interesting area inside of which we could be looking for a potential rejection to the upside. Now, if we go and see what we have when it comes to the commitment of traders, so the COT data, which is what the non-commercials, so the biggest speculators in the market are doing, and we check the data for the euro, what we can see is that with the last reports, net positions have been increasing. We had 8.3k longs added even with the last report, reaching 200k longs coming from 189. So we have many longs getting added from an institutional perspective on the euro. And as we can see here, we have shorts getting decreased. And if we go and see what we have on the JPY, we can see how on the JPY with the last report, we have seen net positions getting increased as well. We're still negative, but we are starting to see net positions getting increased, which is not good because net positions getting increased on the JPY means that the JPY is actually getting stronger. And a strong JPY could make the market reject this resistance. So we need to wait for the euro to actually continue to get stronger compared to the JPY, which are both getting stronger. But we need the euro to get stronger than the JPY in order for the market to actually create this break. Now, if we do create this break to the upside, at that point on the retest, we should see some shorts added from an institutional perspective on the JPY. That is definitely very probable. So if the market will successfully manage to break on the retest of this previous resistance turn support, how we could be approaching this. Now, as usual, trading is reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily combined with the COT data, those are the best time frames from a directional perspective. However, when it comes to confirmations and entries, the best time frames are the intraday time frames, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, what we could be doing is monitoring price action from an intraday perspective during this move to the downside, waiting for the market to shift from an intraday bearish market as we would have to an intraday bullish market. And if the market would shift from an intraday bearish to a bullish market and provide to us one of our valid entries, at that point, we could be looking for this potential rejection to the upside for the completion of this impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside. Now, if you don't know what I'm speaking about when I say valid entries and this kind of things, that is all part of the mentorship program, which you can find at transparentfxtrading.com. And here you have the possibility to access my entire course, also with all the rules of the strategies. And you also have the possibility to access one-on-one private mentoring, VIP market breakdowns with the Telegram signals, the COT data software that we used even in this last analysis here, the trading station software, which puts everything that you need as a trader all in one interface. And if you scroll down past the testimonials, you will see that at the moment I'm running a special promotion in which you have a massive discount down to 97 euros for the mentorship program. But I also partnered with the Forex broker Blueberry Markets, and if you open an account with them, you have the possibility to get a full refund of the mentorship program price credited back in your trading account. And if you scroll down, you will see that you have the possibility here to gain access with the email and password that you will create during the checkout process, automatically getting access. So definitely looking forward to have you on board. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you smash that like button and comment below. It really does support the creation of more free education and analysis for all of you, and I will see you in my next video.